close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
goddamn church, public urination and parole violation, but the CSI couldn't find the body to corroborate my bullshit story. Sweet Jesus. Okay, hi. Are you ever like hyper for the first time in literal years? No? Okay. Hi! So I'm really excited because today I will be showing you my first ever PC build. A little background on this whole adventure is that I grew up with computer in my home, and then I had a hand-me-down laptop for a few years, and that's it. So this is my first PC build. Big shouts out to my friends Con, Damien, and Brett for making this a tolerable experience. I had a lot of issues, not just with like shipping and stuff, but also with other people, and those peeps just made this all a lot easier. So really quickly, I will go over my specs with you. So I have an ASUS TUF, or ASUS, is it? I'm trying to remember what that one computer guy on YouTube calls it. I don't know. ASUS TUF monitor. I believe it is 1440p. I don't remember though. And then I've got just a random case. I don't remember what brand, or it might actually be IQ. I think it is IQ. So that would be Corsair, because I have the IQ Corsair cooling system. I have fallen in love with it because it has similar readings as like BIOS, so it records what your temperatures and speeds are at and stuff, so you can keep track of it without having to pull up BIOS, which is nice. And then my motherboard is the Tomahawk Mag B550. I've got the GeForce 3060 Ti. I had to really think. And then I've got the AMD Ryzen 5700 processor. Wow, I'm blanking out. I've got the AMD 5700. Is it 5700X? You know what? Let's grab my paperwork, shall we? So I've got them all here together. So, of course, I have my SSD just from that. I got, of course, my Windows 11. Alright. Yeah, it says, we got the information for my monitor? No? Okay. Oh, my keyboard is the Corsair K70 RGB MK.2. It's pretty loud, but I like a loud one. And then I've just got a Seagate hard drive. My gaming chair is crap. You don't want it. That's for my motherboard. Ooh. Let's see. Yeah, the PC case is IQ 4000X RGB mid-tower PC case. I'm pretty happy with it, honestly, for the most part. It was slightly bent, but my friend said that happens. Just because of the kind of metal it's made of. Warranty guide, safety information. None of this is helpful. Yep, and then the IQ H100i Elite Capellix. It's a liquid CPU cooler. Like I said, I've been really happy with that. And then I do have my Logitech mouse. It's the G502 Hero. So it's also colorful. I wanted all colorful stuff. And of course I've got all of this on my hand-painted PC desk. Right now I'm running a single monitor because one, I don't have the money for a second one, and also my desk space. Actually, I don't have enough room for one, so I would have to either get a second desk or maybe figure out a different place to put my case. But apparently having it kind of high up, because this is actually a really tall desk, is good for dust management, so. But yeah, those are the main specs. It's you know, mid, but it's also pretty nice for like my first one, and I'm really happy with it. So let's just get more beauty shots, shall we? Okay, I double checked my specs while I was gone, and yes, it's the Ryzen 5700X processor. And I also got Corsair iCUE RAM sticks that are also lighty uppy. Yeah, my friend Con specifically helped me pick out all of this stuff, and the motherboard was a little fussy, but yeah, I had to have 2 different people help me build it. But it all turned out just fine. Love, love, love iCUE's software. Right now, as I'm sure I will show you in a second, I've just got Apex Legends, Elder Scrolls Online, Final Fantasy XIV, and Minecraft downloaded. I actually need to save money for a bit because this was not cheap. But yeah, that's it for now. I'm sure I'll get free stuff. I will sign up for Game Pass, of course, but right now I'm like actually like pretty anxious about money because of like taxes and stuff like that. I had to pay a bunch of taxes because accounting is self-employment, if you know what I mean. But yeah, let's give you a tour. All right. So she runs nice and quiet. I have to like prop myself up in my chair to be tall enough, which is unfortunate. But yeah, right now I've just got I've got Limsa Lominsa from Final Fantasy XIV with some fireworks as my wallpaper, and then let's see. For my lock screen, it's also Limsa Lominsa. Why are my colors are being weird? Oh, okay. It's just different on my lock screen for some reason. I didn't notice that before. Okay. So yeah, I've just got, right now, I've got, of course, all my Microsoft up and going. I'm still using Microsoft Edge. I don't like it a whole lot, but I've got Steam, GeForce, and the iCUE system software, which, like I said, I love it. It's great. You can go into each one of your RGB friends to individually control your color settings. I really like the Spiral Rainbow because it's all colors all the time, which is a vibe. Yeah, I'm really excited. This was my first, like, I'm gonna like spend a lot of money on something that's important to me that's not necessary, and worked really hard and all my holiday pay and stuff. My dad got me this monitor. It's actually slightly bigger than the one I had picked out for myself, so shouts out, Dad. My little mouse pad, these are Galaxy colored. I know it's low lighting, but it's Galaxy. I just got these off of Amazon. I really want the fluffy cloud Logitech wrist rest, but it's been sold out for ages. So if you know where I can grab it, definitely let me know. My mouse. It's fine. I thought I had issues with it at first, but I'm just not used to using mouses, apparently. The learning curve for Apex is embarrassing. And I switch between my games rapidly because I get overwhelmed with it. But I'm also really excited to be able to write short stories and stuff. I used to do that a lot, so. Yep, good old Microsoft Word and I are gonna become very gay friends. I'm gonna write so much smut. But yes, this is my baby. I'm so happy. Alright, well, I hope you've enjoyed this little tour of my new PC. These are also just Amazon RGB headphones, nothing special. My Steam account is Helldrake_777 if you want to add me. I don't mind. That is also where you can find me on Apex as well. Yeah. I hope you have a beautiful day. And yeah, create a space that you love. Hopefully I'm gonna do a lot more with this room. I just have my same lights here, and then I have some little stick-on lights on the wall that are blue, just for a little more mood lighting. But I might do like those clouds where people do like cotton fluffy clouds and put lights in them, so it looks like, sometimes even if it's like moving lights, it can kind of look like lightning and stuff like that. I'll do something fun eventually, but right now, I just want to enjoy my PC, not gonna fucking lie. Yeah, have a great day. Things are going good. Eating enough protein to build muscle is really difficult, I'm learning. But I'm working on it, and my 3-month checkup for being on testosterone to get my levels checked and maybe things adjusted is only like a week and 2 days away, so things are going good. I've got a computer, I'm on testosterone, feeling pretty good, pretty stable, eating lots of food. Yeah, things are good. Have a great day. What is this stream?